Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Panama together. This is our 90+ competition set, including Yuzo, Ubo, Ruby, all from 90+ coffees. The variety is geisha and the fermentation is innovative. So for more details on all 3 of these coffees, please visit our web shop. Let us now brew Yuzo. You need 185 grams of third wave water at 92 degrees Celsius in your kettle. Prepare 12 grams of beans and grind them on rather fine click 18 on your Comandante. This supports the sweetness of this coffee. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. We do 3 pours. Pour 1. 30 grams over 7 seconds circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roast process, opening all flavors. Pour 2 starting at 30 seconds. 70 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, extracting the sweetness and the fruity flavors. Pour 3 starting at 1 minute and 10 seconds. The last 85 grams over 15 seconds in circular soft pouring, resulting in a balanced, multi-layered and clean cup. Swirl your brew at 1 minute 40, leading to an even more balanced cup profile. The total brew time is 2 minutes. Very intense, complex, clean cup with flavors of intense yuzu lemon, loquat, sweetness of honey and a yogurt finish. A very unique and memorable cup profile.